What's the meaning of CET? CET. CET.
CET. CET. CET stands for Central European Time, which is a time zone that refers to the standard time of countries in Central Europe. It is 1 hour ahead of Coordinated Universal Time, UTC+1, and is used in most of Western Europe. CET is recognized as the official time zone by the European Union, and it is also commonly used in international business and communications. With CET, people in different countries can coordinate their schedules and meetings more efficiently, avoiding confusion due to differences in time zones.